Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share with you a recipe for lemon and lime flavoured chocolate coconut truffles. I've based this recipe on my raspberry ruffle bars, which you'll find on my channel. There's so many delicious flavours which you can use to make these scrummy coconut truffles. Let's get started. We're going to start by pouring the desiccated coconut into a medium-sized bowl. To this add the icing sugar and the lemon and lime flavoured jelly crystals. Other flavours you can make are raspberry, orange or strawberry. Next you're going to pour in the condensed milk and give it a good mix. I add a little green gel food colouring to the mix to give the truffle a bit of colour. I also do this if I'm making the orange flavoured truffles, but you won't need to add extra colour for the raspberry or strawberry flavours. Give the mixture a good mix so the food colouring is completely combined with the coconut. Use a spoon, scoop up some of the mixture and roll it into a ball. How big you want your truffles is totally up to you. These ones weigh about 20 grams each. Place on a tray lined with parchment paper and pop in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes. While the truffles are chilling, you can break up some milk chocolate or dark chocolate, whichever you prefer, and place in a heat-proof bowl. Melt over a pan of simmering water or pop it into the microwave, making sure to mix every 10 seconds. The chocolate is melted, so we can now finish off our truffles. Dunk each truffle into the chocolate, stirring to cover them completely. Dipping these truffles in white melted chocolate will work really well too. Place on a tray lined with parchment paper and chill in the fridge for about half an hour until set. When set, decorate with melted white chocolate coloured with green gel food colouring. On my channel you'll find a recipe for raspberry ruffle bars. If you fancy making them, check it out and give it a go. Here we've got a lovely selection of raspberry, orange and the lemon and lime flavour we just made. I find it's nice to colour these so you know what flavour you're getting. We've got lemon and lime, this one is raspberry, look at that lovely pink centre, and orange. These are all delicious flavours and really hope you try them out. Let me know in the comments below if you try out these lemon and lime flavoured chocolate coconut truffles and what your favourite flavour is. Don't forget to subscribe or follow my page for lots more scrummy recipes. Thanks for watching and see you all soon. Happy baking everyone!